Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily English Talks, where you learn real English for daily life. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Charlie. Hello everyone. We're so excited to have you here.
Today we are starting a brand new series called English in Daily Life, Real Conversations for Real Situations.
In this series, you will learn daily English conversation, useful vocabulary, and real-life speaking practice.
So if you want to improve your English speaking, listening, and confidence, this series is perfect for you.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
So Charlie, let's start with a simple question. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but honestly, I don't like waking up early.
Ha ha, same. My alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m., but I always hit the snooze button.
Yes. Hit the snooze button means you delay your alarm.
Exactly. I usually snooze my alarm 2 or 3 times.
That sounds very familiar.
When I finally wake up, I sit on my bed for a few minutes because I still feel sleepy.
Same here. Sometimes I don't want to leave my bed at all.
But we have to start the day. The first thing I do is drink a big glass of water.
That's a great habit. It helps your body wake up.
Yes, and it makes me feel fresh.
I usually check my phone first. Not a good habit.
Ha ha ha, many people do that. Checking messages, social media.
Yes. Sometimes I spend too much time on my phone.
Try to reduce it. It's better to focus on your morning. After that, I go to the bathroom.
Same. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes. I take a quick shower. It wakes me up.
Same. A shower helps me feel clean and ready.
Some people prefer taking a shower at night.
Yes, it depends on your routine. After my shower, I like to do some light exercise.
Really? Like what?
Just simple stretching or a short workout.
That's great. Exercise gives you energy.
Yes, and it improves your mood.
I should start doing that.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
My favorite part. What do you eat?
I like healthy food. Eggs, avocado, fruits, or oatmeal.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually eat something simple, like toast or cereal.
And coffee?
Of course. I drink coffee every morning.
I prefer tea.
Breakfast is very important. It gives you energy.
After breakfast, I like to plan my day.
That's a very good habit.
I make a simple to-do list.
Yes. A to-do list helps you stay organized.
Exactly. It reduces stress.
I usually check my emails and messages.
Everyone has a different morning routine.
Yes, for example, students.
Students wake up, get ready, and go to school.
Some students wear uniforms.
And some students study in the morning.
What about working people?
They prepare for work, get dressed, and commute.
Commute means traveling to work.
Exactly. Let's practice real-life English.
Imagine you go to a cafe.
You can say, "Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please."
Or, "Can I have a latte and a sandwich?"
The barista may ask, "For here or to go?"
You can reply, "To go, please."
Or, "For here."
Then say, "Thank you."
Let's review useful phrases. I wake up at. My alarm goes off at. I hit the snooze button. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I drink coffee/tea. I check my phone. I plan my day.
And questions. What time do you wake up? What is your morning routine? How do you start your day?
Now it's your turn.
Answer in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
What do you do every morning?
Do you drink coffee or tea? Thank you so much for learning English with us.
Keep practicing every day.
Remember, small steps lead to big success.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next episode of English in Daily Life.
Bye.
Bye.